I done did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle. Nigga living life like a beginning. This is only the beginning.
Hi guys. My name is Lacostawhitehead and welcome back to my channel. Yeah. So in today's video, you guys, in today's video, you guys, we're going to be talking all about periods, menstruals, the whole nine. So if you want to hear all about this topic, then just keep watching. All right, so my name is Lacosta. I am a registered nurse, you guys. I have been a nurse for 10 years now. I used to work at the health department, so I know all about this stuff. I'm a woman. I have a daughter. You know, who else is qualified to talk about these things? All right, you guys. So what is a period? What is that? What is a period? What is a period? What is a menstrual? It's basically a period is something saying you are able to get pregnant. You know, you're able to get pregnant pretty much. That's what's going on. That's what's going on. So let's dive into that. What do you mean? What do you mean I'm ready to get pregnant? What does that mean? Having a period, you guys, is when blood and tissue leave your uterus out of your vagina. It is normally a monthly thing. So menstrual cycles helps to prepare your body for pregnancy. You have two ovaries, you guys, or the most of us, majority of us have two ovaries unless something has happened. So we have two ovaries, you guys, and during our cycle, hormones cause the eggs in our ovaries to mature, which then also makes the lining inside of your vagina build up and thicken so that if the egg is fertilized, it will have a nice cushiony place to plop down and start to grow. Hormones also cause ovulation. Ovulation is when your ovary releases that egg to come from your ovaries through the fallopian tubes. So if within that time a sperm does not fertilize that egg, then it crumbles up. And then you start having the shedding of that lining of the vagina, and this is your period or your menstrual. So yeah, that's what happens. This is exactly why you're having a period. So yeah, you're a little woman now. You're a little woman now, okay? Okay, so we're gonna be talking about some common questions that are asked. So the first question is, when will I get my period? When will I start my period? So most girls start their period from 12 to 14, but I have known a few 8-year-olds and a few 18-year-olds start their periods as well. So it's a wide range. When will I stop having a period, which is known as menopause? So most women stop having their period around 45 to 55 years old. But everybody's different, so you can't bank on that. How long will my period last? So normally it lasts from 2 to 6 days. Like I said, it depends on you as a person. I have known some people periods to last for 7 days. A whole week, you guys. A whole week. And then I know some people who only last for 2 days. So, you know, it just depends on you and your body. And you use a tampon even if you are a virgin. And this is a yes. You can use a tampon if you are a virgin. It won't hurt anything. That is an irregular period. So an irregular period is when you don't have a period monthly. You can have a period 2 times a month, 3 times a month, or every other month, or every 3 months. That is what an irregular period is, when it does not come on a monthly basis. Side effects, aka PMS, which is premenstrual symptoms. Some of the things you can have happen to you before your period comes: breast tenderness, cramping, bloating, mood swings, food cravings, fatigue. Fatigue means being tired, irritable, headaches, nausea. I know as a young girl, when I first started, I used to be so nauseous. Like, it was out of this world. I don't have an issue now, but when I first started, I was like, what is going on? Like, this can't be life. But yeah, those are some of the side effects that you know, may happen before you start your period. Is there anything to help with these symptoms? So yes, they do have medication out. It's called Midol. It is over the counter. It is specifically for menstrual. It's specifically for periods. But when I was younger, Midol did not work for me. You can use Tylenol, you can use Motrin, ibuprofen, or acetaminophen. Tylenol is acetaminophen and ibuprofen is Motrin. So yeah, you can use anything over the counter. Also, some things that may help you with your period symptoms, or to help your period get on track, or like I said, just to help your symptoms, you can try birth control. Now, I know everybody is not for birth control. I know this, but you have to make a decision for you. And it's a lot of people out here who like to say birth control is not made for your body. Birth control is not. You make the decision for you. Don't go off of what happened to somebody else, because it may not happen to you. I have been on birth control for years. I have not lost hair. I have not had any side effects of using birth control. Now, when I used Depo, I did gain weight, but that is a side effect. Some people gain weight. But like I said, I do plan to do a video all about birth control, so be on the lookout for that. Yeah, so you can use birth control. It can be pills. Depo is the shot. You can do IUDs. They have IUDs with hormone in them. They have IUDs with no hormone. So if you are one of those people who are concerned about the hormone aspect of things, you can do IUDs without. But like I said, there are side effects to IUDs, and I do plan to go into that in another video. Make sure you speak to your healthcare professional about these options. For the, you know, this is a conversation you will have to have with your mom, your dad, your grandmama, whoever you stay with, especially if you're underage. You would want to have these conversations. I do just want to let you guys know, you know, when I worked at a health department, we saw all ages of girls who came in and, you know, wanted birth control. And it's not to say that I want birth control so that I can have all the sex that I want to have, or I can have unprotected sex. That's not what I feel like birth control is at a young age. I feel like birth control at a young age is to help you. I feel like birth control at a young age is to help you with your menstrual symptoms. So if you have a hard time with that, like I said, you need to reach out to your parents or your guardian, and y'all need to sit down and have a conversation, and then y'all can, you know, take the steps to, you know, do with the next step. When I was in middle school or whatever situation, I would hear these girls say, yeah, I'm on birth control, blah, 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 I'm on birth control, yeah, I'm on birth control. And I'm like, why are you on birth control so early? Like, what's going on? And then, you know, I asked one of the girls, I'm like, why you on birth control? And she was like, oh, it's for my period. It's for my symptoms. And I got on birth control and I ain't looked back since. So it's an option. It is an option. Next, what do you use? I just started my period. What do I use? Do I use tampons? Do I use pads? Do I use the cup? Do I use period panties? What do I use? Well, that decision, my girl, is up to you. It is up to you. You get to decide what you want to use. Me personally, I am a pad girl. I have tried tampons. But because of the birth control that I was on when I did have a menstrual, my menstrual was very, very heavy. So it doesn't matter if I use the Super Plus tampons, I always had leakage. So if I got to wear a tampon and I got to wear a pad or a panty liner under that just to catch leakage, I might as well just wear a pad. That's my thinking. So yeah, you have nighttime pads, you guys. These are pads that are super long, and you wear them at night, and they're absorbent. They are from Always. Then you also have the pure cotton pads, you guys, that, you know, zero feel, zero leaks, pads free of dyes, fragrances, and chlorine bleaching, because people are all into, you know, bleach free, and they into all this healthy stuff. I'm not saying, You know, I just feel like if you're into healthy stuff, then I need you to be eating healthy. I need you to be doing everything healthy. That's just me. Don't be doing the healthy stuff and still eating pork. Okay, we're not even finna. That's not a conversation for today. But then you got tampons. You have like Super Plus. You have Ultra. You have Irregulars. So yeah, you have so many options. And I also just want to uplift you guys, especially the younger girls. It is nothing to be ashamed of. We all have it. Unless, of course, we have had some issues or it's a reason why. But majority of us women, we have a period or have had a period. And it is nothing to be ashamed of. Most boys come up in the house with women, so they know what's going on too. So there is no shame, okay? Okay. So I just want to give you some quick tips, especially if you are a beginner, you are a young girl, you are a teenager who is just now starting their period. Just a few tips. Keep a log. Make sure you keep a log of when your period comes on and goes off, so you can know when to expect your period to come on, so you won't be like somewhere and your period just comes on and you're like, oh God, I don't have a change of clothes. That leads into my next tip. Always keep a change of pants and underwear with you somewhere, in your car, in your pocketbook, your book bag, somewhere. I don't know. I don't know if it can fit in the pocketbook, but somewhere, okay? Make sure you always have sanitary products with you. Pads, tampons, something. You don't want to be at a football game and have to go to the bathroom and use paper towels, because what the hell is paper towels gonna do? Yeah, I'm just saying. So yeah, I just wanted to come out here and talk about periods. Let's talk about it. Let's make it normalized. All that jazz. I did say something about period pads, okay? Not period pads, but period panties. There is something, you guys, called period panties, and they are supposed to hold, like, I don't know, a few cups of blood or something, and you don't have to use a pad. Now, you guys, I don't know about that. I don't know. I'm very intrigued. So if you have tried period panties, leave something down in the comments and let me know how that went for you. Also, you can use a cup. It is a cup you buy. I may insert a picture. It is a cup you buy. You insert it into your vagina, and it's supposed to catch the blood. So yeah, I don't know how that works either. I know how it works. I just have never tried it. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. If you have not done so, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Also, while you're at it, make sure you hit that bell notification so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Okay. Leave me some comments below, you guys. Leave me some comments below. I love to chit chat with you guys. Also, share this video out, you guys. Sharing is caring. And until next time, I'll holler at you guys later. Peace out.